Okay friends, so in this video we are going to talk about trading psychology. If you make a trade and start to panic and your heartbeat rises or you can't see that trade and you start to move here and there, if that's happening to you, then you need to work on your trading psychology. And in this video I am going to give you few tips that is extremely important so that you can control your psychology while you are making trades. So watch this video very carefully and listen to my words because it will help you to become profitable from today by mastering your trading psychology. So if you are trading binary options, especially in pocket option, and you want some free binary signals, then you can join my Telegram. You can also copy my trades directly. Okay, I have given instructions in the Telegram group. You can read that, and if you think it is fit for you, you can join that too. Okay. So now, without doing any delay, let's get into our core topic, that is trading psychology. See, most people lose money because of psychology, also because they have lots of fear, anxiety while they are making trade. They are thinking about whether I'll be making profit or loss in this trade. Their mind gets drained out, okay, on in all of these activities. So you should not be focused, you should not go in that path, okay, where you get anxiety, fear while making trade. You need to be relaxed, calm while making trade, okay. And to do that you need to follow few tips. And the first tip is start trading with lower capital. Let's say you have $1,000 in your bank account. Now don't deposit that whole $1,000 into your trading account, okay. That will obviously drag you to fear and anxiety. If you have $1,000 in your bank account, then only put $100 in your trading account, okay, and be ready to lose that $100, okay. Not because you will just lose it, okay. Just have that mindset, if this is gone, nothing will happen. Now what happens is people have $10,000 in their bank account and they deposit $100 in their trading account and they become fearful, okay, if I lose this $100. That kind of mindset you should not put, okay. Even let's say if you only have $100 in your bank account and you deposited that $100 in your trading account, then also be willing to lose that whole amount, okay. If it goes, nothing happens, yes, and that is the truth, okay. If $100 goes, nothing happens. Even if you are poor, okay, and you deposited, let's say, $50, and if that $50 goes, your life will not be destroyed, okay. So that's why don't get too much attached to that money that you have deposited in your trading account. That is the first tip. Be willing to lose that amount, and if you can't, then start with lower capital. If you have $100 in your bank account, then start with $10, okay. If you have $1,000, start with $100. If you have $10,000, start with $1,000. Don't risk all of your money that you have in your bank account. That is the first tip, okay. Always follow that tip. And if you are risking 100% of the money, then be willing to lose that also. If that is just $100 or $50, okay, in that case be willing to lose that money, okay. If that goes, nothing happens. No, your life will not be destroyed, okay. You need to have that strong mindset. And another important thing that lots of binary traders don't know, or they don't want to know, they don't want to follow this thing, and that is know when to stop. You, before starting to make trade, you need to know when you should stop, okay. Let's say I made one trade, okay. I made one trade, that was right. I made another trade, that was also right. I made third trade, that was also right. Fourth right, fifth right, sixth right, seventh right. I can keep on trading until I become right, okay. But you need to know when you need to stop, when you are wrong, okay. For example, I made a trade, it was right. I made another trade, it was wrong. I made another trade, it was wrong. That can be a warning, okay. And if my third trade is also wrong, then you need to stop that day. You need to book that loss, okay. You need to take that loss. And in the good day, when you are making trade and it is going continuously right, then you can keep on trading up to 15 trades also. But you should know when you should stop, when you are in loss. You should always have that mindset, like, if I keep on making profit, I'll keep on making trade. But if I make loss in a row, or let's say if I make 2 or 3 loss, okay, in whole trade 2 or 3 loss, then I will stop for that day. You need to have that clarity in mind, and the best way to have that clarity is keep on trading until you are making profit consistently with one amount. Okay, let's say you are investing $10 per trade. Let's say one trade right, two trade right, three trade right, four trade right, five trade right, six trade right, seven trade right, eight trade wrong, stop it for that day and book that profit. But let's say your first trade is wrong, second trade is wrong, now you can take it as a warning or stop at that point, or you can test your third trade. Okay, and if your third trade goes right, then book that small loss. Or let's say your third trade also is wrong, then don't go over that. Okay, don't make fourth trade, just stop trading for that day. This is extremely important, you need to follow it, friends. Okay, and if you are liking what you are listening, then please do like this video. Okay, and put some comment. Okay, it will help me a lot. Okay, and if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel. Now we are going for the third and the last tip. Okay, and this is also extremely important. Okay, see, most people make trade and they start to move here and there. Okay, and their heartbeat rises. It may cause some health issues too. Okay, if you keep on doing it. Okay, so you need to you don't need to focus on the outcome. Let's say I made a trade by clicking on higher. Now what happens is I start to think, oh my god, if it is going to be right or wrong. No, you made a trade, that's all. That was the point where you have control of everything. Okay, you could have clicked on higher or clicked on lower. Okay, after that there is no control. Okay, you don't have any control. So why are you thinking that much with the thing that you cannot control? Okay, this outcome is not the thing that you can control. So what you need is you need a proper strategy. You need a proper strategy that is working for you again and again. Okay, or what you can do is before trading you can test 3 to 4 strategy, different strategy. You can find all of these strategies in my YouTube videos. Okay, you can watch that, select 3 to 4 or 5 strategies. Okay, and master that 5 strategies, and then before starting to trade, test that 5 strategies in your demo account. Or let's say if 5 is more, then just test that 3 strategy. Okay, select 3 strategy and select trade with that 3 strategy in your demo account, and which strategy is giving you most of the time positive result, use that exact strategy to make trade. And once you have made trade by clicking on higher and lower, don't think about it much. Okay, now that's the point where you could have done anything, or you could have made, like instead of higher you could have made trade by clicking on lower, or instead of lower you could have made trade by clicking on higher. Okay, after that there is no any use of thinking like what outcome will come. Outcome will be the work of the market. Okay, so don't get attached to the outcome. So these were the 3 tips. And if you have some experience, okay, if you have some experience on trading psychology that you can you think that other traders will get help from, then do comment those trading psychology in the comment section below. Okay, it will help me also, and other people who read the comment section below, it will help them also. So let's help each other. Okay, and keep on watching my videos for valuable tips and strategies. Take care, have a great life ahead. Bye bye.